If you're like a lot of Sikhs these days, you have quite a few Gurbani CDs that you listen to, or you have an iPod or MP3 player with a huge collection of MP3s of Gurbani that you listen to. Part of the problem these days is with all this information, all this music, we don't know what to do with it. I know for me, I have so much Gurbani that most of the time I don't even bother trying to select stuff because I end up spending 10 or 20 minutes trying to find something to look for, to actually listen to. So with this new Gurbani section, we're hoping to make that a lot easier for you to explore and learn about new kirtan, new musicians, new styles, and have an opportunity to kind of interact with Gurbani in many different ways. We're planning to tag and categorize all the music in the system in a lot of different ways, so you can explore by ways like something's energetic or sleepy, meditative, what the mood is, what the feeling. So you can really look at things not just by the musician names and the Shabad name, but you can explore music in a lot of different ways. When you listen to Gurbani on the new audio system, you'll have a chance to see one of the new features that we're implementing, which is a custom player that is going to display the actual Gurbani text, the Gurmukhi text, but you also have other options in terms of what you want to see. So if you want to see the English translation, a Spanish translation, or even the transliteration if you want to read along with the Gurmukhi but don't know how to read Gurmukhi. So this will give you a lot deeper understanding of the Gurbani that you're listening to and be able to digest it in a much larger way by understanding it. One of the ways that you can browse and search through Gurbani, many people spell Gurbani in the English characters many different ways. And with the new search, you'll be able to just start typing, and dynamically you're going to see results of what other audio choices you can have to listen to. Another one of the cool things about the Gurbani Media Center is that it's creating this new framework for all this Gurbani data, all this music that will be cataloged and organized in ways that can not only be used on the website, but other websites and other services that are still yet to come by other places will be able to use this media through an interface that will allow you to pull audio and some of the information from this into other types of applications. When you're browsing through the website and you're listening to music and you see something that you like, there'll be a button that you can click to show that you like that music. And what that will do is it will enable our system to kind of customize and show you other music that you might enjoy based on your clicking on these things that you like. And then at the same time, it will also show you other people who like the similar kind of music, and so that you can explore their profiles and see what kind of music they like and what their playlists are. So it really allows this kind of social networking aspect where you get to kind of interact with the music, but you're also interacting with other people and other listeners who enjoy similar things as you. A lot of you probably haven't heard of RSS feeds and might not know what that is, but it's a cool way of keeping up to date with all the music that's going to be added to the system. So, for example, if somebody uploads more music, say by Harjinder Singh or some other musician, you can subscribe to that RSS feed, which will, you'll be able to get the latest music on your computer, on your iPod, and or just even know about what the latest stuff that's coming in, and you'll get that in real time. So if you have an iPod and you subscribe some different RSS feeds either through the whole site or particular musicians, you'll have the latest music on your iPod whenever it's up there without even having to do anything. Another feature is playlisting. What this is it allows you to customize a sequence of Gurbani that you can listen to. So for example, if you want to listen to your morning banis, or maybe you have multiple versions of morning banis that you listen to that you like to vary it up a little bit, or some other audio that you like to listen to at different times of the day, you can create multiple playlists that you can listen to, and you can even share with your friends and other people. Those of you who are techie online users probably have heard of a web service called Pandora. And this is a radio service that you just select a musician and it kind of generates a custom radio station based on your likes. And one of the cool features, it's not quite like that, but this is a new thing that we're going to be launching on this new service, which we're calling your personal radio station. And what this is when you browse through the website, the Gurbani Media Center, you'll see different musicians, different genres, different types of high-level types of music that are in the system. You add those to your personal radio station, and that will generate a dynamic, randomized radio station of music that you'll more likely like than just listening to kind of a general random selection from everything. In the old SeekNet Gurbani archive, we had a lot of streaming media. With this new system, we're going to have streaming media using streaming MP3, but you'll also be able to download music. So we're going to open up our whole collection of MP3s that you will be able to download. Another feature is going to be profiles, and there's going to be different kinds of profiles. There's going to be profiles by the musician, so you'll be able to look up a musician and maybe somebody that you like listening to, and you'll see all the music by that person and information about them and other related things about that particular musician. And then also you can explore by the writer level. So for the Siddhi Guru Granth Sahib, there's writings by many different gurus, bhagats, and other saints. So you can, if you just want to look up Shabads by Guru Nanak, you'll be able to listen and find all the Shabads together, or even a particular rag, or many different ways. So you'll have a kind of central place where you can not only have the Shabads together, but information and links to other places where there's more detailed information about that particular profile or that particular artist. Then there's personal profiles, and this relates to you, because we all have different tastes of music and we like different styles. Some of us like fast stuff, some of us like classical, some of us like, westernized music. We all have different tastes of music and we have different preferences. So the profile is a place where you share with other people on the site what music you like. So if you're on your own profile page, you'll see other people who like the same kind of music that you like, and you'll see other musicians and music that you might like, and there'll be recommendations so you can get an idea of new music that you might not know of, but since other people like the same kind of music, it'll intelligently share with you new kinds of music that you might not know about. The Gurbani Media Center is designed in a very open way so that not only are we putting this music out to you, but you have the capacity to upload and submit your music, your photos, and your things about you, especially those of you who are musicians. I hope that you are excited about this project as much as we are at SeekNet. We've been diving into all the details of all the fun and useful things that we could do with the Gurbani Media Center. So we hope that you'll support this project and make a donation so that we can help make this a truly revolutionary new system and many more things to come.